This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, I started the recording. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
reminding me. Okay. Coming back to the class. In the last class, right, when we were dividing two numbers, what is the answer we see at the output?
The
What is the
three.
expected output?
One.
1 point some.
1 point what? If I take A divided by B, what should be the output?
One.
1.6.
Three. Two.
1.666.
Six.
So on, right?
Yeah.
What is the actual output we see in the console?
1.
We don't see the decimal part, we see only the
One.
integer part.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we will be discussing in detail why exactly it is happening like that in the division operator, especially. Other things we don't have a problem. Only with the division we have a problem like this. So if I see that there are three types of divisions, okay, based on the data type, our division can be divided into three types: integer, integer division. Then you have double division. Then you have mixed division. Okay. Okay, I didn't share the entire screen. I guess let me share the entire screen. Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I see in the last class, right, how did I divide x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 7? Let me execute it. What happened? I have seen a number of x by y is equal to 1. Do you see the output? Everyone, is my Eclipse ID visible for you?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, please remember what is the data type of the x? I have defined for x. What is the data type?
Integer.
int.
Integer. Whereas for y also I have defined an integer type data type, right? So when I divide integer by integer, the answer also will be in integer. Okay. So now we are seeing, looking down into the division operator. There are three main subtypes in the division operator. First one is the integer type. When both the data types of the variables are integer, the answer also will be in integer. Okay. Even though if I declare it in a I give it in a double, I have seen the double C1, you see in the 13 line number, I have declared defined my division in the and stored it in a double variable. Still my answer will be in the integer format. All the decimals after the point are neglected, all the values after the decimal are neglected. Am I clear what happens in the integer division?
Yes, Anna.
Hello, is it clear?
Yes.
Can
Okay.
you come again? Can you come
Yeah,
again?
in the integer division, what happens, right? Both, if I define my both int a, okay, let me define my int a as integer. If both the data types are integer, the answer also will be in integer. Okay, I won't get the decimal values. I'll be getting one alone.
Yes.
Okay, even if I declare my c as a double data type, my I won't get the correct answer because a and b are integers. Okay. Even if I declare in a double variable, I will get the answer in the, not the correct answer, only the integer part alone is shown. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, let me define it over here. Okay, how to multi-line comment all the text whichever I have. What is
Backslash
the
and
syntax for
Star
asterisk?
slash
Yeah, star slash or slash star?
slash star.
slash
Slash
star.
star,
Starting.
okay.
Starting star.
Yeah. Okay, now let me define it. Int a is equal to 5 and int b is equal to 3. Okay. So I will define int c is equal to a by b. Now what I am doing, a system dot
Or that println.
out dot println. Okay, c is equal to, how to do it? plus C.
Plus
Okay. Now let me execute it.
1.
What is the output which I see?
Integer.
Integer, because both the data types are integer. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now what I'll say, I'll declare the same data type. I'll store the same output in double data type. Okay. Same division output in double data type. Double C1 is equal to A by B. Okay. Let me see what output I'll get. System dot out dot println C1 is equal to plus C1. Okay. If I'll execute it, am I getting the correct answer?
Oh,
Still,
No.
I'm not getting the correct answer. Only the integer portion is being displayed over here.
Yes.
Even if I try to give a double data type, because A and B are of which data type? Int.
Integers.
Integer.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now we will see the second type of division. Okay, double division. Okay, double division. So how to define it? Int, again I'll give, okay, I have defined A and B, so I don't mind. Let me define my double. Okay, when I say double division, I have to give the variables in double. A is equal to 5, double B is equal to 3. Okay. Now since I'm using double data type, double C is equal to A by B. Okay. System dot out dot println C is equal. Okay. Let me define a different variable. D is equal to
D plus D equal
plus D.
to plus C.
Oh, I'm reusing the variables. If you see, I'm reusing the variables, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
what is it throwing a warning message for me?
Yes.
Yes.
It is saying that duplicate local variable. Already I have defined A and B.
Mm.
Again, I'm redefining them. So what happens? You
It
can either change it or what happen? It will, okay. Can we redeclare it? Will it throw any error?
it will throw. Yesterday I did
Okay.
it.
Okay. Let me say this as value 3 and this may say
That is integer
4.
and that is double.
Yeah. Let me look into that. Okay. Duplicate local variable, duplicate local variable. Both A and B are, they are saying that each and everything is repeating itself. Suppose
Mm.
instead of double data type, I use int over here again. Okay, I'm redefining it again. Do you think it will throw a problem?
No.
Huh?
Maybe
It
the
will
numbers
through.
are changed. Yes.
Already we have int A equal to 5 and B equal to
Yes.
3. Again we are giving A.
I,
It will
yeah,
confuse.
it will get. I'm redefining it. I need not redefine. Suppose if I have, okay, I'll come back to it later. As of now, you cannot declare you cannot redeclare your variables. Okay,
Yes.
please remember that. Okay. Now double division. What is the data type I have to use? Double A and double B. Okay, let me take a new value. Let me say it as X, Y, X divided by Y. Okay. Once I execute it, what did I get? Did I get the correct answer?
yes.
Yes.
Let me take the same example. Am I getting the correct answer now?
Yeah.
Yes.
So, how should we give the division operator when we are using in Java?
The numbers can be same, but the uh, like
What
A
kind of data type should I choose when I know
double.
for sure that I will be using some division in my
Mm.
programming thing? When when I have to get a output in the decimal point, when I'm sure that I will be using the division operator in my program, at that time, how should I define my variables?
Double.
They
If you
should be
want to
of double data type.
Double data.
yes.
Okay, they should be of double data type. Okay, am I clear?
Yes.
Yes, Bandhan.
Okay. Then sometimes, right, what happens if one of the number is integer and the other one is double, okay?
Okay.
Mixed division. Chaitanya, Ranjit, are you there? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Any kind of doubt, please stop me, okay? Mixed division. When one of the variable is of double data type, say double p is equal to 5, then int q is equal to 3. Okay. Let me define my again double r is equal to p by q. Okay. There's a warning message. Okay. That is not user, so only I'm getting it. System dot out dot println r is equal to plus r. What do you think the output will be for the mixed division? Will I get the correct answer or will I get a integer value? Will I get a exact value like the D? Let us check it by executing it.
Decimal value.
Exactly. Take exact.
If even if one of the number is in double, I'll get a proper answer. Okay.
Yes.
So we know that both the double division and the mixed division are giving me the actual output. Okay. I mean, the actual output and the expected output are matching. But whereas for integer division, it is not matching.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Yes.
So we should be sure when we are writing a program or when we are dealing with the division operator, we have to make sure that at least one of the variable is of double data type.
Okay.
Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
We can go either for the double division or mixed division, but not for the integer division. If suppose I'm defining in the integer value, the answer will not give me the expected. Actual. Yeah, expected. I will not be able to get the expected answer.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Suppose, okay, you can exchange, interchange the values and you can try it out on your own, this mixed division.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. I'll share all this programming part. Okay.
Mm.
Today I'll be sharing what all files we have. So far we have covered, right? There's a
Yes.
basic program, typecasting one, variables and everything. Okay.
Yes.
Any doubt in the integer division, mixed division and double division?
No.
Shall we
No.
go for the next topic?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. When I say of the operators, right? We have dealt with the first one, arithmetic operators, where the basic addition and mathematical operations are done. In today's class, we will be first learning about the conditional or comparison operators. Okay, conditional or comparison operators. See, whenever we want to in our day-to-day life, what is the first thing we do? If we want to purchase anything, what is the first thing we do? If I
Comparison.
want to purchase a mobile, we will compare the suitable models, right, based on the price or based on the specifications or based on the camera. There are many features. The very first thing we will see the comparison thing.
Yes.
Similarly, in programming also, what happens, right? Sometimes we have to compare the data. Maybe with the yesterday's data with the today's data. Sometimes what happens in the banking domain, if you see, today, every day, new customers keep on adding, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Some of them will be, some of them will be closing their accounts or some of the transaction things. What happens to the transaction? Do you think the same kind of transactions will be held daily?
No.
No, right? Sometimes it will be very high. Sometimes you don't have even a minimum exact transactions with the account. So what happens? Right? We need to use some comparison operators. So what are the comparison operators which we need to understand in the programming world is double equal to, okay? We call it as equal to, not equal to. Are you familiar with this one? Greater than, lesser
Less
than,
than.
greater than equal to, less than
Great.
equal to.
Okay.
Okay. Always remember whenever I'm using conditional or comparison operators, the answer will be the output will be always in true or false.
Vandana,
Okay.
the second one is not equal to.
Yeah,
That's
this
how
is
we
not
write
equal
in
to.
the program. Okay.
Yeah, we write not equal to.
Okay.
Okay. This is equal to, and this is greater than, and I think others you will be familiar with. Greater
Yeah, that's
than,
it.
less than, and greater than equal to, less than equal to. The basic comparison operators.
Yeah.
Whatever operators I'm discussing in the last class and the coming classes, right? It is same for every programming language.
Okay.
Okay. Only
Okay.
thing is the syntax varies, but the program the output as well as the symbols will be the same.
Okay.
Okay. Am I
Okay.
clear?
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
When I say for the conditional and comparison operators, the output will be in the form of true or false. Either the answer will be true or false. If the condition is satisfying, you will get the answer as true. If the condition is not satisfying, I'll get the answer as false. Okay. So let us write a program and let us compare them. How to make a new Java file? Go to class. Today's class we will be first learning about the conditional operators. So I got a public class. Next, what is the next step I should follow?
Public static void.
Public. Yeah, now you are familiar with the terminology. Very good. See, after a week of class, at least
Mm.
you know what is there to be written in the Java program, right?
Yes.
Then I should have round brackets,
String.
strings or string,
String.
String.
args.
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 Okay. Still, you are not familiar what is to be written over there, but at least you know these are the two things that have to be written for every Java program. So let me define a integer int a is equal to 8, int b is equal to 9. Okay. The very first operator. Let us see what is the first operator. System dot. I'm not storing the output in any variable. Directly, I'm using the print statement. System dot out dot println x is equal to y. Okay, I cannot give it like this.
We have
We have an error. Oh, why I have an error?
we have given A and B.
And
Yeah.
I'm using the different variables.
Mm.
Okay. Can I use it like this? Still, it is throwing an error. What is it? Problem?
Incompatible.
Complex.
I cannot use the operators in the plus and as well as equal to over here. I cannot join like a string with this comparison operator.
By using
Okay.
bracket.
Okay. So what should I do? I can just give the either the comparison operator alone. Okay. So let me try the output. Yeah, even I have updated the program. Kindly give me a minute. It is creating the hierarchy.
Vandana in
Everyone,
the hierarchy.
no,
Sorry.
actually,
In
it is trying to save the Java file and everything. It is trying to prepare the class file and everything.
okay. In incremental and decremental, there are two types now. A pre-increment, a post-increment,
Yes.
pre-decrement. My husband said yesterday about that.
Yeah, we have. What happens if I place the plus plus operand before the variable? What happens the plus plus operand if
Mm,
I place it after the variable? Yes, I haven't discussed it yet. We
yeah.
will discuss in detail.
When he asked, I was little confused. Mm,
No, no, don't worry. Yeah, thanks for reminding me. Yes, I have. I haven't discussed yet. I'll make sure I'll discuss the same.
yeah.
Okay. See, if I use a lot of new terminology, right? The first thing, anyone who is new to the programming language, we will get scared, right?
Mm.
So
Yes,
first we'll go with the easy one. Slowly I'll keep on introducing. If in case if I forget something, make sure that you remind me. That's it.
Yes.
Okay. Since we know that A and B are not equal to each other, what happens? Obviously, the statement is false, right? I'm checking whether A is equal to B.
no,
A is not
No.
equal to B, so I'll get an output as false.
False.
Okay. One thing, please remember that I have a single equal to and double equal to. Okay. When I say a single equal to, what does it refer to? It refers to the assigning a value. Whereas, and when I use a double equal to, it refers to the comparing a value, comparing two values. Okay.
Yeah.
When I use single equal to means I have assigned a value of 8 to variable 8. Whereas here I'm checking whether 8 is equal to 9. Okay.
Yes.
So now let me check system dot out dot println A not equal to B. Is A not equal to B? Obviously, right? 8 is not equal
Yes.
to 9, right? So what should be
Yes.
my answer?
True.
True. Let us check whether we are getting it.
Yes.
We are getting true, right?
True.
Yes. Now let us check the other one. System dot out dot println A greater than B. Is A greater
False.
than B?
False.
False.
System spelling. Mm.
Yeah, I have done it now.
Mm.
Then system dot out
Dot.
dot println
A
A
less
less
than
than B.
B.
Is A less than B?
Yes, true.
Yes. True.
True. Yeah, let us check whether we are getting the same things.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, now we will do one thing. We'll declare another variable int C is also equal to 8. Okay.
Okay.
What I will do? System dot out dot println A is less than or equal to C. Okay. I'm comparing A and C. I'm comparing the A and C value.
Yes.
Will I get true or false? A and
True.
A is less than or equal to C. 8 is less than or equal to C. Less than no, but it is equal
One
to C.
operator is equal to.
Satisfying. So my answer
Mm.
is the
True.
first one is false, true, and the last one is true.
Yes.
Okay. Now let me check B and C. System dot out dot
Then.
println. Then I have B greater than or equal to C. I'm comparing B and C. Are they both
Uh,
equal to each other? No.
no, but is greater than B is greater than C. That is
So
one. True.
even then I'll get true. Okay. Where it will be useful, right? When we are going to check some conditions, these operators will be very, very helpful. Okay. In the
Yes.
programming language, we have to deal with some conditions we will learn in the coming classes. But today's class, we are learning the operator signs, the symbols which we are going to use for the conditions.
Yes.
Okay. Is
Mm-hmm.
it clear for everyone?
yes.
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 The symbols which are very simple.
Yes, Anand.
Can you once show the output? I want to write it here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me write it for here itself. Okay. The output for A is equal to B. It will be. You can please let me know. A equal to B. Is it false or true?
False.
False.
Okay. A not equal to B.
True.
A is not equal to B, right?
Yes, true.
True. A greater than B. Is A greater than B?
No,
True.
false.
False,
Yeah, I
false.
should get an output of false. A less than B?
Yes, true.
Yes. Then A less than or equal to C?
Yes, true.
Yes.
Okay. Then B greater than or equal to C?
Yes, true.
Okay. The comments will help you a lot when you are writing a program. Okay, it is for your basic understanding. So make sure you get a habit of writing the comments also in your program.
Yeah.
Okay, so is the comparison operators clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please try it out using your own examples and everything. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what I will do, see, the first one is one condition, right?
Yes.
The second one is second another condition.
Mm.
Yes.
Okay. Now what if I want to compare two conditions? Okay. What if I want to compare one true false statement with the other false statement? Okay, sometimes it happens, right? I need not check only one. I have to deal only with one condition. Sometimes it happens that I have to choose between two conditions, like uh, attend the class only if you have registered for the manual as well as Java.
Okay.
Means what is the condition over here? Only you can attend the class only if you have registered for manual plus Java.
Mm.
Means what is the condition I'm checking? I'm checking for both the condition, whether they are registered for the manual, whether they
Manual
have
and
registered
Java.
for the Java. Only if both of them are met, then only you can attend the class.
Yes.
Okay, means what is the operator I'm speaking about? And operator. Okay, and
Okay.
I'm using a keyword called and.
Mm.
Okay, like manual and plus Java, where both of them are to be registered. Okay,
Yes.
there might be sometimes, right, even if you are able to attend one of them, it is fine for the testing technology. You can attend the interviews. Means
Or
even if the student is registered for manual or Java, they can attend the interviews.
yes.
Means manual
Or
or
Java.
Java. It is not compulsory that both the conditions are to be satisfied. Even if one of them is satisfied, you can attend the interviews.
Yes.
Okay. The other one is not. Means like you will speak of if I'm speaking a false statement, it is converted to true. If I'm speaking a true statement, it will be converted into the false,
Opposite.
opposite of it. So
Can you
if you
come?
remember in your engineering, all of you are
Yes.
from
Yes.
engineering background.
No, I'm not.
And maybe you might have come across like and or not operators. And operator, what happens, right? There are two things always. One is true statement, other one is your false statement. Okay.
Okay.
So if I have to check, let me speak of the AND operator first. What happens in the AND operator, right? Only if both the true statements are true. Okay, what is the symbol I use? This symbol we will be using in the Java programming language. Okay,
Okay.
AND operator is given by like this. Only if both the statements are true, then only my output also will be true. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Output will be true only if both the statements are true. Even if one of them is true and the other one is false, my output will be false. Okay. So if I have the first statement as false and second statement as true, even then it is false.
False.
You might have been familiar like this with who are from engineering background, they might have learnt about it. False, if
False.
both the statements
False.
are false, my
False.
output also
Oh,
will be false. Okay.
okay.
Let me state as this one statement 1 and this one as statement 2. If both the statements are true, then only my output will be true. Even if one of them is false, the output will be always returning false. Means the condition will not be satisfied. The condition will be satisfied only when both of them are true. And operator, okay?
Oh,
Clear?
yes. Yes.
And the symbol for the and operator is double ampersand, okay? Am I clear?
Yes.
Should I repeat? No, no.
No,
Yes.
no. Thank you.
Everyone. Ranjit, Chaitanya, is it clear?
Yes, Vandana.
Okay. So now the one which we are learning is the logical operators. Okay. Logical operators, what they will do, they will compare two conditions.
Yes.
We are comparing two expressions or two conditions, we call it as. Okay. Next one is OR operator. How to give OR operator? Any idea?
No,
OR operator, how do we give it? We give it as double like this pipe. Okay. OR operator is very simple. Even one of them is satisfied, my output will be true. Okay.
Yes.
Output. So what happens? First one is true. Second one is true.
For. Okay.
No, both of them true. Obviously, it is true.
True.
Okay. Means first expression is satisfied, second expression is satisfied. Both the persons are satisfied, then the output will be true. First expression is true, then second expression is false, then the output is again true.
True.
Even if one of them is happy, my expression will be true.
True.
Then let it be
False.
vice versa, false. Let the second person be happy,
True.
then
True.
even then it's true. But what happens if both of them are not satisfied?
False. False. False.
Yeah, false, false, it will be false. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
So, when I speak of the logical operators, we are having three things. One is AND keyword, then second one is the OR operator, and we'll see when only both the expressions are satisfied, then the answer will be true. Whereas for OR operator, what happens? Even if one of them is true, the answer will be always true. Okay. Next one is your NOT expression. Not keyword, not expression, or you can say not operator. You use the symbol exclamation mark. Okay. Not a simple. If I say, if first person is saying, if my expression is a true expression output, if the expression is true, output will be false.
False.
If the expression is false, the output will be
True.
true. Like it is like your enemy. Okay. If you are saying,
Yes.
okay, I'm happy, it will say it is sad. Okay. The opposite of whatever you speak.
Yes.
Okay. We are now going to deal with this and or and not operators. Okay, the next Java program which we are going to write is on the logical operators. Am I clear?
Yes.
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 Okay. So just remember these tables, and table and or table. Not table is not, it is very simple. And or, if you're very familiar with, it's not a problem. If you're not familiar with, get familiarized with that. How to create my Java file? New
New. Class.
Class.
class. Now what is the name I'm going to use? I'm going to use logical.
Logical.
Yeah, I'm taking all the class names so that whenever you're looking into that, it will be easy for you to follow that
Yes.
programs. Okay. Again, public,
Public. Static.
static.
Void main.
Still, we haven't learned all these meanings. We have to yet to learn about them.
String.
String,
Args.
args. Okay. Now, what is the first thing I had to do? I had to declare some variables. Okay. Let me say x is equal to y. Sorry, x is equal to 5. Int y is equal to 9. Okay, I'm taking now double data type. Let me take double. Okay. Or for our understanding, first we'll go with it. It's int x is sorry, a is equal to 10. Int b is equal to 8. I have defined four variables. Okay. What is the first one I'm going to check? System dot out dot println. Okay. First one I'm going to check x is equal to y and a equal to b. What am I doing? I'm trying to check whether both this expression is x is equal to x is equal to y. This is one condition, right?
Yes.
There is another condition, a is equal to b.
Mm.
Okay. So
Yes.
what is my condition 1? I have two condition statements, condition 1 and condition 2. We are going to compare both of them. Compare using
And
and or not. Okay. So what will be the output? Is x is equal to y true?
False answer.
X is equal to y is not a false. Okay. X equal to y is false. How about the other one? A equal to b. Is it true or false?
False.
Okay. It is also false. And which operator am I using?
And
And
And operator. If both of them are false, what happens to my answer?
false.
false.
False. Let us check the output. Okay. Am I going slow?
No.
Okay. Kindly let me know if I want. I can pick up the speed, or are you fine with the speed or something?
We are fine. I am fine with the speed.
to maintain this.
Okay. Let me know when if you want to decrease the speed or increase the speed. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Then where were we? What is the answer I have received? False.
False.
Okay. Now what I will do? I will use a different type of condition operator now. Okay. System dot out dot println x is equal to y and a is greater than b. Okay. What happens x equal to y? It is false, right?
False.
C1 condition, the first one represents condition 1, okay?
Yes.
Condition 1 is false. How about the condition 2, a greater than b?
True.
C2 is true, right?
True.
So one is false and one is true, whereas the operand which I am using is and. So what happens to the answer?
False.
Even if one of them is false, the answer will be false.
False.
Did I get it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now is what is the thing I have to make sure that both of them are I get an answer as true. When can it be true? When can the answer be true?
Two conditions are true.
Satisfied. Like x is less than y and a is greater than b.
B.
So here my C1 is true,
C2 is true.
C2 is also true. So what is my output? Obviously true. Both
True.
of them are happy, so my output is also happy. Okay?
Yes.
Simple thing. Only the one thing which you have to remember is the symbol
Operator.
which you are using for the and operand.
Yes. Yes.
The rest of the thing is normal English which I am speaking. Only thing I have to make sure I remember the symbol for the and operand. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we will see the same. Okay, let me write in a different way. System dot out dot println. Okay. Now what I will do? X is equal to y or a is greater than b. What do you think the output will be?
False or true?
False
False.
and false or true? You will okay. How many of you are saying false and how many of you are referring to the true?
Who is
False.
true?
Who is saying false?
False or
Okay.
operator.
Yeah, it is an OR operator. So let me know whether it is false. Okay, let me not share the entire screen. Let me share the Eclipse alone. Okay, is this screen visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry,
So
one
now
one true answer. Sorry.
anyone who is saying it as false?
Can you repeat the question? Like, can you come?
Okay. Now I have. What do you think the output of the last statement will be?
C1
The
is true.
last one, where x is equal to y and a is greater or a is greater than b.
It's true.
It's false and
When
true.
condition is satisfied, it is true.
One of them is satisfied, right? What
So
do I have? I
true.
have C1 as false and C2 as
True.
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 So one of them is true. So obviously the answer will be true. It is an OR operand.
Yeah, yes.
Even one of them is happy, the answer will be happy.
Yes.
Okay? Sorry, any doubt? Sorry. Hello?
No doubts, Vandana.
Okay. Then we have seen the other. Okay, let us check our other one where okay. System dot out dot println x not equal to y or a not equal to b. What do you think the output of this will be? My x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 9, a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 8. What do you think the output of this particular statement will be?
X not equal to y.
True.
Okay, for your convenience, I'll write x is equal to 5, y is equal to 9, a is equal to 10, and b is equal to 8. What will be the answer for the above statement?
True.
I'm checking the variables whether a, x and y are equal and a and b are equal.
False.
What will be my condition? What is my condition one, whether it is true or false?
True. True. True.
How many of you say it is as false? Obviously, right? 5 is not equal to 9, right?
Yeah.
True.
Yes, true.
So if the first condition is true and second condition is
True.
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 Both.
So what is
True,
my,
true.
both of them are true. The answer will be,
True.
True.
okay, let us check the answer.
Yes.
I got it as true. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me change it. Let me change it in a different way. Okay. How about the last statement? System dot out dot println x is greater than equal to y and a is less than or equal to b. What do you think the output of the statement will be?
Condition one is
X
false.
greater than equal to y is false.
Condition one is okay,
False.
false. Yes.
False.
Condition two.
Condition
A less
false.
than
False.
false else false.
Okay. Condition two is also false, but which operator am I using now?
Or
Or
operator,
operator.
then result is
So the answer
false.
also will be
False.
false. When both of the statements are false, obviously the answer also will be in false. Did I get
Yes.
the output?
Yes.
Okay. So these were the OR operator and operator. And operator, if both of them are true, then only the answer will be true. Or operator, if either one of them is true, then the
Done.
answer will be true.
True.
Now we will see the not operator, okay? Not expression. How do we give in the not expression? System dot out dot println. Okay. Not A equal to B. Okay, what does A equal to B give me the output?
False.
False.
Oh, false. But if I give a not operand over here, okay, what does it say? What kind of error does it throw me?
Error.
Hmm?
True.
Is it
Opposite
giving me a
of,
suggestion? Is it giving me
the,
a suggestion?
yes, the operator is undefined for the augment type integer.
Yeah, if you see one quick fix available, do you see a suggestion? That is the benefit of using IDE. You will get some error suggestions. You will know where exactly you're getting the error before running the program. Okay. So let
Okay.
me use it. I'll use this one. Okay. Now is it throwing any error?
No,
What
now
I'm saying is not of the expression A equal to B. A equal to B is a
False.
false.
false. Answer is
So,
true.
okay, let me check it out. Okay, I'll comment everything. Hmm. Did I get an
Yes,
answer as true?
yes,
Yes.
yes,
Because A equal to B is false, so I get the opposite of it when I use a not operand. Whatever you say, it will always say opposite of it when I use the not symbol. And how to use it? Not of the entire expression.
yes.
Not only one expression, I can give in another way also. System dot out dot println. See, this class is just to make you familiar with the symbols. That's it. Not the. I mean, you can understand the logic as well as main focus is on the symbols. How exactly they are, which symbol is used for which type of comparison. Okay. You remember this expression a x is equal to y and a equal to b?
Yes.
Yes.
Very first one. I'll use that same expression, not of. Not only a single expression, I can use not of multiple expressions also.
Mm. Yes.
Okay, I have an and operand as well as I have used a not operand.
Mm. Yes.
Okay, so what do you think the output of this will be?
True.
First of all, it will calculate the output of the inner bracket. The inner bracket will give me a false, not of
Yes.
false,
True.
true. Okay,
Yes.
is it clear,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
everyone?
Yes.
So this was the conditional operators and logical operators which we have seen in today's class. Okay, is everyone okay with if I move forward with the assignment operators?
Yeah, on madam.
Yes, Vandan.
Okay, then I'm taking it as an S and I'm moving forward. Assignment operators, the next type of operators. How much it is necessary for the Java, first we will cover that, okay? There are
Okay.
many types of operators like unary operator, binary operator, and so on. We will be, when you're very much comfortable with everything, right? I'll take a separate class for that.
Okay.
Okay, there are one thing called as binary or bitwise operators. You have to understand it. In one of the class, maybe in the next week, I'll try to cover that bitwise operators. Okay. Next comes with the assignment operators. Then again, same public,
Static void
static,
main. Void main.
void main. Even when you are sleeping, right? Please remember this one. Whenever someone asks, you have to say it. Okay. Now, what is the one I had to in assignment operators, right? There are many assignment operators. Now we are assigning a value for the variable. Assignment operators are nothing but we are trying to assign the values for the variable. Okay. Okay. Assignment operators. What are the basic ones which we see over here? Equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, division equal to, modulus equal to. Okay. These are the main assignment operators which we are trying to cover in today's class. Am I clear?
Yes.
But
Yes,
what
Vandan.
exactly they will do, we are first we have to try to understand the same.
Mm. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Um, Equal to is nothing but assigning a value for a variable. Okay. Equal to symbol is nothing but assigning a value for x is equal to 7. Means I'm assigning a value of 7 to what? X variable, which is very easy for us to see the output and everything if I display the variable x. Okay, again it will take time. Yeah, kindly give me a minute. It is taking time whenever I'm creating a file. I have updated it. Maybe because of the path which I have defined for the project workspace, it is taking time for that. Okay, what is the output which I have received when I use equal to symbol? Nothing,
7.
because I have saved 7 in the x variable. I'm getting the output as 7.
Yes.
Now comes your plus equal to. We know that what does the plus symbol refers to? Plus symbol refers to addition operation, right?
Addition.
When I say, see, x I have already defined. So let me say x plus equal to 3. Okay. X plus equal to 3. X plus equal to 3 is nothing but I'm saying that reassign my variable x is equal to x plus 3. Okay, not, let me not confuse you. Declare a new variable a. Okay, a is equal to x plus equal to 3. X plus equal to 3 is nothing but I'm assigning that x is equal to x plus 3. What is the already value of x? What is the
7.
value of x? So
7.
it implies that now my new value of x is equal to 7 plus 3. It will become 10.
10.
Okay. I'm adding a value of 3 to the existing value of s x and give me a new output. Let us see the new output now. System dot out dot println. Okay. 10x. What do you think the output will be?
10.
It should be 10. Did I get 10?
Yes.
Yes.
So when I say plus equal to, what happens? Okay, I didn't define any int. I didn't give any data type because already I have defined my x in the beginning of the program. Only thing is I'm updating it over here. How do I update it? I'm saying that add some number to the existing x value.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, am I clear?
Yes.
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 So the second one with the minus operand. What do you think the minus operand does? X
4.
minus equal to 4. Okay.
4.
So it will do what is the now the original value of x?
10.
Oh yes. So what will it? It will take the existing value 10 minus 4. The answer will should be
6.
6.
6.
Okay, let me give my system dot out dot print lnx. Execute it. Did I get the answer?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now similarly multiplication one. Multiplication one.
Yes.
Hmm? What will be my what is my existing value of x?
6.
6.
So 6 into 5.
30.
30.
So let us check whether I'm getting the answer as 30.
Yes.
Did I get 30? Okay.
Yes.
Now what I will do, I'll declare a variable called double. Y is equal to 7. Okay. I'm declaring a variable y is equal to 7. So x, then what happens now? Instead of giving a number integer 7, what I am defining? I'm dividing my integer x with a double y. Okay. What type of division is it? Hello? What kind of division am I referring for the line number 24?
Assign.
We have seen three types of division. X is a integer and y is a double data type.
Double.
So what kind of division am I referring to?
Mixed division.
Mixed division. So do you think you will get the expected output?
Yes.
Let us mixed division. Sorry, I have the mixed division. Let us see whether we'll get the same output over here. Okay, now what happens at x is okay, mixed division, and what will be the output? How will my x update gets updated over here? X is equal to x divided by y, which means what is the updated value of x? 30, right? 30 divided by 7. Some output we will see 4 point something.
4.4.
Something. Yeah, so let me update it. Let us see. What happened? Did I get an integer value or what?
Yeah.
Why? Huh? Okay, the same thing I will try to do in a different way. Y equal to x. What do you think the output of this will be? Y is a double, x is a integer. Okay.
Mix.
Which value will be updated now? X value will be updated or y value will be updated?
Y value.
Whichever is written in the
Equal to
beginning, that value will be updated. So now y is being updated. How will the y be updated with which? Y is equal to y by x. Okay.
X.
So what is the value of y now? Y is as usual 7. Okay. Whereas what is the value of x?
4.
4. Okay. So let it be 4. Now what will be the answer? What should be the answer now? 1.7 something. Okay. So let us see the output of y. Did I get the answer for the y properly?
Yes.
Yes, decimal
Whereas
value.
for the x, did I get the proper answer?
No.
When I have 30 divided by 7, I should get, okay, 28, then I should get 4.2 something, okay? But I got only integer value. Whereas for y, I got a proper answer, 1.75. Why did it happen?
Because
If you
exit
see
and
when I have the mixed division, it was integer by double, okay?
Yes, this
When
is
I have
double
integer by
by.
double, the answer is in integer format, okay? Answer is in integer. When I have double by integer, what happened? What is the answer in which format? How do you find the
Decimal.
answer? Answer is in double format.
Double format.
Okay. So whether you're writing the double data type in the numerator or denominator, it matters so much for us when we are doing the mixed division.
Okay.
Am I clear? Double to double, I don't have any issue for division. But if it is mixed division, I should make sure to get the correct answer. My double data type should be in the numerator instead of denominator.
Okay.
Am I clear? When I'm
Yes.
using mixed division, the double data type should be in the numerator rather than the denominator.
Yes, Amma.
Clear?
Yes.
Everyone? Any doubt so far?
No.
No, fine, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I guess. And one more operand is there. A percentage equal to. What does percentage refer over here?
Reminder.
Modulus.
Remainder. Yes, remainder. Okay. Let me define two variables. A is equal to, okay, 8. Okay, let me give it as 8. I have A percentage 6. So when I write this one, how does the value of A get updated? A is equal to A modulus 6, that which is equal to,
2.
2.
yeah, 8 modulus 6, which gives me the remainder of 2. Okay, let us see whether we'll get the same output or not, whether my A value is updated or not. Obviously, my A value, which was 8, I'm getting a value of 2 at the end of the operation. Assignment operators are nothing but you're trying to modify your existing variables. Okay, you're reassigning your variables in a different way.
Yes.
Rather than writing A percentage 6, or rather than keep on repeating the variable again and again, I'm writing a shortcut. Okay, instead of writing x is equal to x by y, I'm neglecting the symbol x and I'm writing slash equal to or percentage equal to and so on. Am I clear,
Yes.
Yes.
Right.
everyone?
Yes.
Okay. If in case of any doubt, please let me know. Okay. Today I'll share all the Java files so far we have discussed till now. You
Okay,
can
ma'am.
practice it. In case of any doubt, again, you can post in the group or you can ask me.
Yes.
If yes,
Can you use a only division rule, only x by y? Can mixed division can reflect and give the actual output?